The Guyana Elections Commission on Thursday met to deliberate several matters critical to the conduct of the upcoming general and regional elections, including the stamping of ballots, the use of certificates of employment, voting by incarcerated persons, and the use of domicile. Opposition-nominated Commissioner Vincent Alexander told reporters that with regards to the stamping of ballots, a topic previously referred to the Attorney General for legal advice, it was determined that the Guyana Election Commission has the prerogative to decide on the matter independently.
Stamping of the ballots, the AG's response says the GECOM has the prerogative to determine how that matter can be resolved. And so the AG's in fact has concurred with the position we have taken from the inception, which was opposed by the other commissioners. And so now it is GECOM to administratively determine how they can deal with the question of ensuring where a ballot has not been stamped, that it is stamped once it's authentic before the count is conducted. There were two other matters which we had canvassed for, and that's on the lining of names of the overseas persons on the voters list and the methodology for the removal of the dead based on the reports from the Chief Medical Officer and or Commissioner of Police. Those matters were not on today's agenda, and we've been promised they'll be on the agenda for the next meeting.
Alexander also noted that the Commission rejected a proposal by a vote of 4-3 related to the use of certificates of employment, which was intended to allow voters to cast their ballots outside of their registered districts.
We feel that every polling agent should be given an opportunity to have a certificate of employment if he or she is working away from where he or she is entitled to vote. Because the Constitution clearly says, and the court has been saying, that there should be no impediment to a citizen being able to cast his or her vote.
Government-nominated Commissioner Sayers Gunrash told reporters that several of the matters raised at the meeting had been resolved.
Several issues in relation to certificates of employment, issues in relation to stamping of ballots, voting by polling agents, and so on. A couple of those issues, but several decisions were taken.
The Commission also discussed the contentious issue of whether incarcerated individuals should be allowed to vote. That matter remains under review and will be further deliberated in subsequent meetings.